Hey guys, it's Robin here from leadgenius.biz. We're all about simple, practical advice that you can implement easily without too much crazy tech. And this is a really quick video focused on a little trick in Mautic. To say it properly. So I'm in my Gmail right now, and if we scroll through here, you can see, here's an email from Gillian Perkins. That's her subject line right there. And then, afterwards here, we've probably got the first sentence of her email. If we look here at Perfect Deals website, we can see, yep, I've got an email came in from Perfect Deals. That's their subject line. And this here is not actually the first line of their email. It's what they call a pre-header or pre-text. I'm not sure of the right word. So if we open this mail, we can see that that actually is not the first sentence in their mail. Their mail is an HTML mail. But if I come back here and we look at Perfect Deals, we've got this little bit of text beforehand. So this is really powerful because, sometimes the first line of your email, which would get pulled through, here's one, hi Robin, Gillian Perkins, if there's one thing, it just doesn't make sense sometimes, that first sentence. So this is a really powerful kind of secondary subject line, if you will, to drive opens where you can put something in there. And I want to show you how to do that in Mautic. So let's jump over to Mautic, and I'm in my little mail builder here. I'm using the new grape builder. This is just a little template I use to copy over. I haven't actually built the template. It's just an email that I clone each time. But let's just jump in here. And I'm going to jump into the builder straight away. And let's go into the builder. And this is the new builder. You may not recognize it, although this technique will work with the old builder as well. But here it is. I can type my text and that in here. Now this is the normal email text. This is where I would put in, for example, the first line of my email. Hi there, etc., etc. This is not the pretext or the pre-header we're speaking about. That's something different. So how do we put that in? Well, we go over here to edit code, and simply all we're going to do is insert all of this, just paste this right above this, what's in line 8 here. That is actually probably going to be the first line of code that you're going to see in your builder. So just grab hold of this. It'll be in the description down below. And just paste that into this builder and hit edit. You need to hit edit to save it. But let's open it up again, and you'll see here I've got this little text in here. And that is the text that you want to edit. So this is pretext. Alright, that's it. It's done. Let's go and test that. Let's save this here. Let's go save and close. Let's send an example through to send it to my Gmail account. Send. Fantastic. Alright, we're just going to go and check whether that's come into the mail account yet. Alright, there it is. It's come in, and this is pretext. So there you can see it working, and if I go and open up this mail, you'll see that it's actually the mail we just wrote, and it doesn't have that pretext there. So very, very simply, that's how you can do it. And if you're using the old builder, go into the code mode on the old email builder and pop the same code text in, and it'll work there as well. So just open up your theme and go into the code builder, grab hold of this and pop it in. So this is going to work for the new builder and for the old builder. Pretty powerful tool, and enjoy, and I think it's going to drive open rates. This has been Robin from leadgenius.biz talking about Mautic, my favorite marketing automation tool, and I hope that helps you out. Cheers.